Welcome back to one more useful and interesting video. In this video, I am going to talk about Orange Tulip Scholarship India 2021-2022. First of all, talking about the benefit of that scholarship. Under the OTS scheme, candidate can get up to 100% tuition fee waiver. However, the exact award details will vary depending on the university the students enrolls in. And now I will talk about the program, then eligibility of that scholarship, then documents required for that scholarship, then how can you apply, then important date, then selection criteria, and at last I will talk about the some terms and conditions of that scholarship. So now first of all, talking about the program, the NUFIC NASO India invites application from bright students from India for Orange Tulip Scholarship India and offering awards up to 100% tuition fee waiver for pursuing higher education. A number of higher education institutions, multinationals and government institutions are part of this program, offering students a variety of courses to choose from. Now talking about the eligibility of that scholarship. To be eligible for the Orange Tulip Scholarship, that is OTS, an applicant must be an Indian citizen, not studying or working in the Netherlands, be admitted to one of the universities in the Netherlands or currently undergoing admission process. Note, the specific requirement will vary depending on the university and the course chosen by the student. Now talking about the documents required, fill the application form, proof of admission to the selected university. Note, the prescribed documents will vary depending on the specific university guidelines. And now talking about how can you apply. Follow the following step. Step 1. A candidate first needs to select the course and the university in the Netherlands. Step 2. The university selected by the candidate should be covered under the OTS scheme. Step 3. Then go through the application process for the specific university. Step 4. After confirmation from the university, begin the application process to OTS. Step 5. Download the application form and fill in all the required details. Step 6 and the last step is send the application form along with the necessary documents to ots@nasoindia.org. Now talking about the important date, application deadline is 1st April 2021. Now talking about the selection criteria for that scholarship. The selection process will involve the following stages: file acceptance and pre-selection by NASO India, review file registration and selection by the OTS sponsor, the announcement of the scholarship recipients, and at last talking about some of the terms and conditions of the OTS scholarship. The documents should be sent as soft copies with the total attachment size not exceeding 20 MB. Incomplete applications will be rejected. The applications should be in Word or PDF format. Each file will be given a clear name in English, document name, applicant's name. The subject of the email should be OTS 2021-2022 application scheme, your name. Thank you for watching this video. Share this video with your friends so that they can also get benefit by that video.